What's going on YouTube? What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, you've probably seen a bunch of videos on YouTube going over, is Amazon FBA dead? Should you start Amazon right now? This is a question I've been getting a lot lately, and not just by one person. So what the question is, and what I want to make today's video about is now a good time to start an Amazon FBA business? Does the private label business model still work? Is it a viable business for you should start right now? I want to share with you my thoughts on that and some other recent updates in my own business and what I'm seeing with launching new products and how my students' products are doing. I think you'll get a lot of value out of today's video. It won't just be another one of those videos, yes, Amazon FBA works, yes, it's a good business, and buy my course. So I don't actually sell a course. Just real one-on-one mentorship. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back to those of you who are my subscribers. I appreciate all of you for watching today's video. My name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller and mentor. Right here on this YouTube channel, I release 1 to 2 new videos every single week covering everything Amazon FBA related, making money online and e-commerce. If you enjoy that type of content, please do me a favor right now. Head on down and give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I appreciate that. And drop a comment down below. I choose 2 lucky winners every single video to win a 30-minute coaching call with me. My job right here on this channel is to help educate, teach, impact as many lives as possible, sharing my journey and my history of how I went from a struggling drug addict, addicted to drugs, and 6 years ago, all the way to a full-time Amazon FBA seller and online entrepreneur. Without any other delays, let me jump on over inside my computer and share my screen with you, guys, so you can see some updates on my business, products, and should you start Amazon FBA right now. Coming up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been trying to... What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, welcome to the my computer inside the video. I wanted to just start off by showing you just my latest sales. I can throw up today's sales here. We're inside my seller account, Noonan's LLC, and I'll refresh this. This is my live. This isn't a screenshot. Today's sales a little over $1,100.24, $1,124.55. Total balance on the account is $4,893. So yes, Amazon FBA is working for me, but let me talk about just kind of in general. Is it working for anyone else? So I've been selling on Amazon for 2.5 years now, and I've launched 8 successful FBA products and registered 2 brands on Amazon. I've always seen this ever since I learned about selling on Amazon. Is it too competitive? Is now a good time to start? Is FBA dead? And so I want to talk about some of those questions and doubts and fears you may have right now thinking of diving in and starting this business. The first thing I want to say about starting Amazon FBA, starting your own business, becoming an entrepreneur, is you're going to be going against 97% of everyone else in society who thinks the only option is to get a college degree or go to college, get a good job, work hard, retire, save. That's the whole idea of life. Automatically, if you do decide to start your own business, become an entrepreneur, which I really strongly urge you to do, you're going against 97% of what everyone else is going to tell you. And so you may not have anyone else in your life right now telling you to go for it or supporting you. I'm here to support you. If you need someone to ask questions to or get support from, you're welcome to reach out to me and then look into my one-on-one mentorship program if you want one-on-one guidance and coaching. So just the fact that that you may be the only person that you can talk with yourself, or there may not be anyone else in your life who's going to be supporting your idea of starting this business, becoming an entrepreneur. You're going to be hearing, online businesses don't work, selling on Amazon doesn't work. I urge you to find a mentor, join Facebook groups, including my Gladiators Facebook group for Amazon sellers, the Amazon FBA Private Labels Facebook group, the Amazon FBA Helium 10 members group. These are groups where you can connect with like-minded people and other entrepreneurs, because getting support and encouragement is super important. And so that's why I start off this video showing you guys my sales. We just came off of Prime Day. I did over $1,100 in sales today. I did over $3,000 day 1 of Prime Day. And so yes, it's still working, but that's me. I've been selling for 2.5 years and have 8 products, currently 6. 2 of them are out of stock. But how about others that are just starting? Maybe they just launched this month in Q4. And I want to talk about that. So I can pull up a couple results here from a couple of my students that have recently launched in this in the last couple of months. And so the first one I want to talk about is Rebecca. Rebecca just launched last month. She's selling her very first product. And let me pull up here. I need to go under the file to open it up. And I'll show you how Rebecca's sales have been doing her very second month of starting Amazon FBA and launching her first product. All right, guys. I was able to pull up the screenshots. Now, these are students who have worked with me inside the one-on-one mentorship program, but that's not what this video is about. This is about you succeeding, you getting a little encouragement of what's possible if you dedicate the next few months to launching a product or two or three and sticking with it. So this is Rebecca. She launched her very first product and she did $1,080 in sales her very first 7 days. This is her first product. Very first product that we found together, and I think she's on track to do over 5,000 her first month. Michael's on the way to do 5,000 his first month with his first product. Super encouraging there, and really proud of Michael and Rebecca. Here's Jennifer. She just got #1 new release badge, guys. This is huge. Amazon just gave me the #1 new release badge. I'm running low on stock, but the #1 new release badge is huge. If you're ever fortunate enough to get one of those Amazon badges like Amazon's Choice, #1 new release, it'll really boost sales really quickly. And then this is Greg. With Greg here, he says that I'm on the way, so excited. At the pace I'm going with them, they will make me over 100,000 this year. And that's profit, that's not revenue. And then I have Catherine, who just launched her first product. She's selling anywhere between 10 and 20 units per day. And that may not seem like astounding, like, oh, I'm not making my 30K the very first month, guys, but that's not the goal. The goal should be to just start out strong, find a product or two, get them launched, learn the process, start making some income. And yes, you can make profits with this business month 1, month 2, month 3, definitely once you have a couple products launched, but it is possible to make, several $1,000s in profit still the very first month. So there's a couple of screenshots there of students who have recently launched within the past 6 months with their very first product, and you can see the kind of numbers they're doing. And all of them have at least a 20% or higher profit margin. So if you see the revenue 5K, revenue 100K, revenue 1,000, you can pretty much guarantee at least 30% of that is pure profit. Now, I want to talk about this episode of the Serious Sellers podcast from Helium 10. They're coming out with a new case study. It's called Project 5K. This is where Bradley Sutton of Helium 10, employee of Helium 10, is giving us a behind-the-scene look as he launches multiple products for 5K or less and builds them into a 6-figure Amazon business. And this is a great article or podcast, and I want to link this down below this video description so that you can check it out. Either you can read it like I did, or you can download the audio file and listen to it. But what was so powerful about this is he talks about starting off with 2 brand new products that he found using Helium 10 Black Box, which is where I start my product research and teach my students where to start to find products. And it's so interesting that out of this first product that he launched, he did about 6,000 in gross sales. We had about 30% in the previous 8 months. It was pretty good month over month, and about $1,000 net profit. July went down to about 3,700 in revenue with 550 net profit. August of this year, 3,200 in sales, $300 net profit. In September, 2,000 gross sales, $200 profit. And then he goes on, it was really interesting to talk about a recent product he just launched and talks about keywords and the importance of finding other related keywords for your product. Make sure you guys are choosing not too competitive of keywords to rank for, and or you're going to have to spend a lot on PPC, which can eat into your budget and your profits. Now, this product he launched I think he launched this product for a total of around $4,300. He launched it, and just to sum it up, the keyword of the product had 4,000 searches per month. He went on to make really good money, like month 1, over $2,000 or $3,000 in profit. So here's the breakdown. So he spent that under about 4,000 to get it started. It gave me $6,300 of sales. A cost was 38%. that generated 9,000 clicks. He set up 3 campaigns. He got 140 plus PPC course from the PPC campaigns, generated ads. He sold through the 500 units. The gross revenue was $21,000. My expenses were $17,000, which included the cost of goods, all Amazon expenses and PPC, etc. So the net profit month 2 was $4,400 for a 20% profit margin. Not too shabby for a brand new product that we just launched for under $5,000. $4,000 net profit, and we've sold another 500 units, grossing over $23,000 with another net profit of $4,300. And guys, this is recent, like within the last few months. So for those of you guys out there who are hearing it's too late to start, Amazon FBA is dead, private label doesn't work, consider wholesale, consider other business options, it's not the case. Products are still selling like crazy as long as you just know how to choose the right product and you don't go into a product that's too competitive. You make sure there's enough demand but not too much competition, that the product's not restricted or patented, guys. Those are some big and important ones. And this is just further proof, but I loved reading this and listening to this podcast because he broke down what happened. He also talked about search, find, buy campaigns and what his methods were for launching the product. But spending, $4,000 to make net $4,000 profit after you sell through your first 500 units, guys, is really awesome. That's your very first product. You may be able to launch yours for closer to $2,000. It just depends on the product. And we're in Q4 right now. So if you got started right now launching your next product or launching your first product, you could probably get some sales in the end of December, which is the best month of the whole year, if you get started right away. I hope this video, guys, provided you some motivation and encouragement that yes, it's still possible. Before I wrap up the video, is there any different business models I recommend? Shopify is a great way to expand your brand, to do Shopify, your own website, after you launch your products on Amazon, and then do your own branded website or Shopify store. That's what I recommend there for Shopify. Dropshipping is not recommended for Amazon. You can test different products dropshipping, but the problem is you have no customers that know about your dropshipping site or your website. You have to pay for ads to get everyone to even know about your website or dropshipping store. So I don't recommend that one right out of the gate unless you want to become brilliant and study a lot of ads. And then what about the other ways you can sell on Amazon, including Amazon wholesale? Amazon wholesale, I don't recommend because it's hard to find buyers and hard to get approval. You're getting approval to sell other sellers or other brands' products. So first you have to get approval. The second thing is you have to list the products on their listing, which could be a bad listing, could be a horrible listing, it could have awful ranking, and you have no control with Amazon wholesale over the listing. You're selling someone else's product on their listing and have zero control over the listing. So that's the problem with wholesale, and also trying to sell off your bulk inventory to other buyers, other accounts is super hard. The other one after Amazon FBA private label that I recommend the most is online retail arbitrage. This is essentially finding products at a discount on Jet.com, Overstock.com, Walmart.com, and thrift stores, buying 5 or 10 of like a baby blanket you get for $7 that are brand new, but you see that each of them sell for $39.99 on Amazon, and flipping them, creating a listing on someone else's listing of a big brand on Amazon, and then you essentially flip the product from your house. You have to ship it into Amazon, label the product, create a shipping plan, and you're essentially flipping those products for profit. That's a great way to start, and you can get started with as little as $100. That's Amazon Online OA and Retail Arbitrage RA. Online Arbitrage, Retail Arbitrage. You can get started there, guys, with as little as $100. And you're flipping products that you find at discount websites or in thrift stores. And it's a great way to get started and to learn about 65 to 75% of the entire Amazon FBA business model. So that's probably the second best option I recommend after FBA private label. And that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this boosted your motivation for the day. Make sure to subscribe and like the video before you head out, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.